Good morning, students. Today we are going to continue with the chapter that was digital presentation. We are going to start with a new session today. This session is about using thesaurus options and some other options related to Microsoft Word. So I'll just move on to the book. Now this is your next topic, which is using thesaurus. It is session number 6. Now, first of all, what is this? Well, thesaurus is a dictionary of synonyms, words, and phrases, which means the same thing as a particular word or a phrase. So it basically gives you the if there is a word and you want some synonym or similar meaning word of the same given word, then we use this option. It helps us to have a better choice of words and phrases, right? If you want to replace certain word with some other word, so that we can see in this option. And moreover, it gives you the different synonyms and antonyms of a particular word, the words with the similar meaning and opposite meaning, so that you can make out the word, what is the exact meaning of the word. Now, to access this option, first of all, we need to select the word. Then in the review tab, we have to choose thesaurus from the proofing group. So and go to the review tab, go to the proofing group. There you will find this thesaurus option. And then the moment you click this option, a search task pane which opens on the right side of the window. As you can see in the figure given on this side, this is a particular window that you can see. Now, from the list of all the synonyms given over here, you can choose the word that you want to replace with. Fine. So that's a good option for all of us that we can easily uh, replace some word, or if you want to basically see the synonyms and antonyms of a given word, so that can be easily done over here. So this is the window that we can simply talk about. And next is now how do we insert that word? Just click on the insert to replace the word, or click on the copy, and then you can paste it anywhere in the document, right? So if you find certain suitable words, you can just click on the words and get that additional option related to the word, and click on back to go back to the previous word that you have selected. Fine. Okay, moving further. Uh, then we have cut, copy, paste options. Now, before we do this, I'll just move on to Word so that you can see this option. Now, let's say I have typed school word. Let me share this screen first of all. Now, let's say I have typed school word. Now, click, select the word. Then, for thesaurus option, we need to go to review, review tab, and here you'll find proofing group. There you'll find thesaurus, or the keyboard shortcut is Shift plus F7. Click on the word, and you'll get list of all the words which are similar in meaning, right? Like school का similar meaning words का कौन से हैं? University can be there, college, seminary, institute, faculty, department, right? Or if you find some, so if you want to replace it with some noun forms, so you'll find some noun forms also, right? So these are all different synonyms that you can find. Now, if I want to replace with institute, so you'll find a small option here. There you'll find click insert or copy. Click on insert. The word will be replaced. Fine. This is how we can use the thesaurus option. Moving back to your book. The next thing is copy paste, cut, copy paste. You know that cut option is used to move a text from one location to the new location, whereas copy option is used to create a new copy of the given text, and paste will paste that particular text at a new location, right? So the moment you click on cut, whatever text you have selected, that particular text will be removed from the previous location and it goes to the clipboard. And from the clipboard, when you go with the paste option, that text is again copied to the new location. Now, the thing is, how do we use this option? There are three ways of using it. One way is you can use it from the ribbon given on the top, or using a shortcut menu, or using keyboard shortcuts. Now, this is how we use it from the ribbon. In the ribbon, we'll find home tab, and in that, there's a clipboard group in which cut, copy, paste, all three option lies. So you can use them directly from there. Now, whenever we need to paste, so at there are certain more options related to paste. Also, paste special option is also there. Now, if you click on paste, you'll get these more options: keep source formatting, merge the formatting, or keep the text only. So these are some of the options that we get. As you can see here, in the paste option, we have three different options for the paste. The first one is keep source formatting. That means that from the place from where you have copied the text, or if where from where you have applied the cut option, उस जगह पे जो भी formatting थी text की, that same formatting will be applied. And second option is merge formatting. Merge formatting option is if you are pasting a text into a new paragraph, let's say within a new paragraph, तो जो पैराग्राफ का फॉर्मेट है वो अप्लाई हो जाएगा उस पर्टिकुलर टेक्स्ट के लिए. And third one is keep text only, where without formatting features, it will simply paste the text. इसके फॉर्मेटिंग अगर उसमें कोई बैकग्राउंड कलर है या फिर कोई टेक्स्ट कलर है, वो चीज़ें अप्लाई नहीं होंगी जब आप पेस्ट करोगे टेक्स्ट को, राइट? Moving a text, use the cut option, right? And then paste it at the new location. Again, we'll get those three options. So this is how we move it, right? And cut, copy, paste option also lies in the right click option. You just select the text that you want to move, right click on the text, you'll get this cut option, click on cut. That text will be removed from that particular location. It will go to the clipboard, then go to the new location where you want to paste it. So right click again and then click on paste, right? Or you can use this clipboard group. From here you can go with copy and paste. Fine. And the third one is your keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard shortcut may if you want to cut a text, then select the text, press Control and X from the keyboard to cut, and to paste we should use Control plus V, V for van, and to copy we should use Control plus C, right? So we can also use this keyboard shortcut options. Fine. Now let's have a look how the things like, I want to move it. First of all, I'll go to home tab, will in the clipboard, I'll click on cut, this text is removed. Remember to select the text before doing it. Go to the new place, click on this paste option, right? I'll undo again. Now, if you click on this small arrow, these are the three options. First one is keep source formatting. So source formatting means whatever was the font or the format given here initially, where the text was lying, the same format will be copied. If the size is larger, we'll get the larger size here. If the text color is blue, we'll get the same text color blue here. So it will copy the text as well as the format. Second one is if you want to copy or paste this into some paragraph, उस paragraph में जो भी formatting है, तो वो paragraph की formatting के साथ वो match हो जाएगा. And third one is just paste it without any format, right? I'll just show you again. मैं undo करता हूँ. I'll make it this text red. I'm making it larger, right? Make it bold, italics also. Now, let's say there's a line here where the text color is blue and it is not italics. Let's make it little smaller. Right now, let's just select this, click on cut and go to space between these two. If I go with the first option, so whatever the format was there of this word institute, the same format will be applied over here. And if I go with the second option, you'll see the format is matched with the paragraph or the sentence or the text where we are pasting it, right? And if you go with the third option, we'll simply paste the text as it is, right? So this is how copy paste, cut paste works. Now coming to copy, just select it, go to copy, go to the new place and paste option, right? We can all do it from the keyboard shortcuts. I'll just show you the right click part. Right click में जाएंगे, ये cut, copy और paste के तीनों options available हैं. You can use any one. Fine. Our keyboard shortcut is Control X, Control V, Control C. Control X for cut, Control C for copy, and Control V for pasting. Next is about finding and replacing a text. Now, if in case you want some words, like you can see in this figure, the word itself is given 4-5 times. Now, if I want to find this word in the whole document, it generally it is used where we have a lengthy document where number of sentences and number of paragraphs into it, and from that paragraph you want to replace one particular word. So for that we can use this find and replace option. So find is to find the option and replace option is to change that word with some new word. क्या पुराने वर्ड की जगह पे कोई नया वर्ड डालना है तो रिप्लेस ऑप्शन यूज कर सकते हैं. Now this option lies in the home tab and it lies in editing group, and you'll find this find option. Just click on that. So the moment you click on, you'll get this interface. From here, first tab is find, next tab is replace. So find पे click करेंगे, find, write the text that you want to find. जैसे हमारे यहाँ पे word लिखा है WORD, so type this WORD over here and then just click on find the next, right? So it will find or highlight the text within that paragraph from where you want to find it. Fine. ऐसे ही we have some more advanced features related to this finding option, that is advanced find option, and there you'll find a reading highlight. If you want the search word to be highlighted, then you select highlight all from this option. You can see over here, this is the option. Just click on this and you'll get a list of it. The drop down list will come up and from there you can just click highlight all. इससे क्या होगा कि जितने बार भी वर्ड पूरे डॉक्यूमेंट में है वो सारे के सारे हाईलाइट हो जाएंगे, right? Then there's another option called as find in. Now find in is used to define the area from where you want to find. Like it has an option main document. If you select main document, it will try to search the word in the full document, complete document. And if you select text boxes in the main document, it will try to find the words only in the text boxes lying in the document. तो text boxes जितने भी होंगे उस document में, वो सिर्फ उन text boxes के अंदर find करेगा, उनके बाहर find नहीं करेगा, right? And by default, it is the main document. So we can simply define the area from where you want to find. And then find next is to search the first occurrence of the word, and you keep on clicking this find next. तो वो पहले फर्स्ट अकरेंस जो है वर्ड की वो दिखाएगा, फिर नेक्स्ट अकरेंस दिखाएगा दोबारा क्लिक करने पे, थर्ड टाइम यू क्लिक इट विल गो टू द थर्ड अकरेंस इन केस दैट वर्ड लाइज अगेन. So it will keep on searching that word and highlighting. Right. So when the search is finished, it will give you a message that this word has been search has been over. Right. And this is the replace option. इसमें find what or replace with दो options होते हैं. We have two text fields over here. Find what is the word that you want to find in the document, and replace with is what word you want to replace with this particular word. Like here you can see occurrence is the word we are finding, और हम occurrence को replace कर रहे हैं event के साथ. Right. Again we have 2-3 button. First is replace. So this button replaces the word, but it replaces only at the first occurrence of the word. ये occurrence word पहली बार जहाँ पे भी मिलेगा उसको डॉक्यूमेंट में सर्चिंग के उस जगह पे वो रिप्लेस होगा. बाकी जगह पे अगर occurrence दोबारा आ रहा है तो it will not replace that. In case we click on this, and if you want to replace everything, then click on replace all. Right. Then find next is just to highlight the text. This occurrence word is to be highlighted in case you want to highlight it in the full document, right? So once everything is over, then you can just see this kind of message will be given. The word has completed the search and has one replacement, two replacement, or number of replacements. So that number is displayed here. Just click on OK to finish, right? Remember this, to find the keyboard shortcut is Control plus F, and to replace the keyboard shortcut is Control plus H, right? And the third tab is Go To, and this sometimes we require to move to a particular page number or line number, so we can use this Go To option, right? As you can see, when you click on Go To, you'll find Go To what. इसमें पेज है, सेक्शन है, लाइन है, कमेंट है, फुटनोट है, हेडर फुटर्स होंगे. तो जिस पे भी आपको जंप ओवर करना है, लाइक इफ आई वांट टू जंप ओवर टू line number 10, let's say, or line number 100, so I'll just select line over here and I'll type 100 over here, so the control will straight away jump to line number 100 of the document. ठीक है. ऐसे ही if you want to go to, let's say, the page number 5 of this document, so I'll select page from here and I type 5, so I'll simply jump over to that particular place, right? Page number 5. Let's have a look over this. So first of all, let's see this find and replace option. I'm writing this word institute 2-3 times, and let's make it little smaller so that we can view everything. Now let's go to that find and replace option. It is there in the home tab in the editing group. Here you'll find that editing group in the corner, right corner, find, replace, select. So just click on find. Right. When you click on find, you'll get navigation option here from where you can find, type the word. It will highlight that word wherever it has found. तीन जगह पे उसको मिला, 1 2 3, तीनों लोकेशंस यहाँ से हम लोग सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं, राइट. Second way is just click on this arrow, advanced find option is there. Now click on find out. This is that reading highlight. If I say highlight all, so it will try to highlight all the occurrence of the word. Institute word जहाँ जहाँ मिला उसको उसने highlight कर दिया, right. Find in the main document. So अगर हमारे पास यहाँ पे text fields होते या हमने कोई पैराग्राफ्स बनाए हैं, तो दैट confinement we can do. Current section, main document, paragraphs, text fields. तो यहाँ से हम लोग वो area define कर सकते हैं, right. I'll go to replace now. So find and replace tabs or similar, the option is similar. So either you can do with this button replace, or you can press Control plus H to access this option. If I want to replace institute with school, fine. So if I click replace, तो first of all find next करते हैं. If you see this part of institute, this word is highlighted. Now if I click replace, इसको उसने replace कर दिया, बाकी जगह replace नहीं किया, right. Find next से हम लोग next occurrence check कर सकते हैं, right. And if you click find replace all, it will try to replace all the words with the new word. As you can see, सारी जगह पे जहाँ इंस्टीट्यूट था वहाँ स्कूल हो गया, फाइन. So that's all about find and replace. अच्छा, one thing more I wish to show you here is these are some more options related to find. You can see if you click on match case, it will try to find out the word exactly as you type here. Like if you see message is typed and every letter is small, so it will only find this word message in the complete document where this word is written in small letters. If the word is written in capitals or M is capital somewhere, so it will not highlight that. In case we select this मैच केस में जो भी आपने यहाँ लिखा है उसका जो केस है, मीन्स whether it is in capitals or small or sentence case, so it will exactly find the same in the document, ठीक है. अगर उसको ये मैसेज वर्ड जो है वो स्मॉल लेटर्स में हमने लिखा है यहाँ पे, तो इट विल ट्राई टू सर्च ओनली दी वर्ड विच इज़ रिटन इन स्मॉलर लेटर्स. तो अगर कैपिटल्स में कहीं पे है या एम कैपिटल है या फिर कोई और लेटर कैपिटल है, तो वो इसको इग्नोर कर देगा, फाइन. Now let's move on to the next thing. Now how do we create a list? List is just a um, organized way of writing certain particulars and information, and it's always in a particular order. If we create a list or random order, you can say. So like grossly list you want to make, list of friends you want to make, features of some option you want to make. So the best way is to use bullets and numbering. Now bullets just gives you a symbol. It writes a symbol to mark the items, and numbering is used to give the numbers, orders, right. So this is basically unordered. Bullets में ordering नहीं होती और numbering में ordering होती है, जैसे 1 2 3 4 like that. So bullets में we just have small small marks, symbol marks before the content or items which we want to list up, right. Now the thing is, how do we create this? First of all, place the cursor at the location where you want to start the list. जहाँ से आपको स्टार्ट करना है वहाँ पे कर्सर क्लिक करो. Go to paragraph group of the home tab and click on the drop down arrow next to the bullets. From the bullets, you'll see this. This is the option. So when you click on this arrow, you'll get this drop down list. From here, you can see different kinds of bullets are there. You can choose whichever you want to apply, right? And similarly, when you click on numbering option, just next to the bullet is the numbering. जहाँ पे 1 2 3 लिखा होगा. When you click on this arrow, the drop down list will come, as you can see over here. We'll have different formats of numbering that you want to apply. You can just click choose that you want to add up, right? And see, there's an option to define a new bullet or define a new format also. So you can go with that, and then you can create your own new format, new bullet also, right? I'll just give you this look also. Like if I want all these things in bullets, so I'll go to the home tab in the paragraph group. This is the bullet option, and these are the different kinds of bullets that we can use. So choose the one that you want to apply. Just click on that, right? And I'll also show you define new bullet option. Now from here, if you want to add a symbol or a picture or a font that you can modify from here, like if you want to add some small picture, see different kind of images are there available in the software. So if you want that kind of bullet or list, you can simply select and click OK. As you can see, this is applied, and same image will be applied as bullet, right? Coming to numbering, in the numbering library, you'll find different formats of the numbers, and you just click on the things which you want to apply. And moreover, again, we have define new number format, and these are number styles over here that you wish to add. Like if you want first, second, third like this, so select, change the font from here, fine. So click OK, and again click OK. So जो आपने numbering दिया है, that numbering will be applied. Fine. The size is too big, so that's why the problem is there. You can decrease the size of the bullets later on. Select and just decrease. Fine. So let's move on to the next thing. Next is format font styles. Format font styles may, first of all, what is formatting? Formatting controls the appearance of a letter in your document. So if you want to improve the appearance of any document, any letter, any individual letters in the document, so that we can do with the formatting options. तो उससे appearance जो है आपके जो भी आपने text type किया है उसकी appearance जो है improve हो जाएगी. So a lot of options are there. Bold, italics, underline options are there. You can change the writing style. You can change the size, color, etc. So we'll see all these options, how what all things we can modify. First of all, we'll talk about font face, color, and size. So the way of writing or way of displaying a text, that means the style of writing and the size is called as a font, right? And different types of font types are available. As you can see, the list is given: Arial, Times New Roman, Comic Sans, Monotype, Corsair, etc. So whatever you want to apply, you can apply. But the thing is, the important thing to remember over here is that what is the default font type? It is Calibri, and the default size is 11, right? Although the options are there to change. You can say here in the font group in the home tab, we have this font face option, and we again have an arrow from where you can just click on the arrow and get a list of drop down list of all different types of fonts. Just choose the font that you want to apply. Remember, the very first thing you need to do is to select the text. Then you do with the change. Otherwise, the whatever changes you are doing, that will not be applicable. तो सबसे पहला काम है, select the text where you want to change the font. Go to font face option, click on this arrow, you get a drop down list like this. Choose the font that you wish to apply. Just click on that, that will be applied, right? And similarly, you'll find this size option, font size, just next to it. From here, we can choose the size that you want to apply to a document. You can make it larger, make it smaller. So by default, it is 11, and you can make it bigger as well. Another option just next to font size is the grow font and shrink font option. This is to, first one is grow font is to increase the font size, and next one is to decrease the font size. So इस पर क्लिक करेंगे, जितनी बार क्लिक करेंगे उतना फॉन्ट एक एक पॉइंट इंक्रीज होता जाएगा, और नेक्स्ट बटन से एक एक पॉइंट कम होता जाएगा. Then we have option called as a change case. From here you can change the writing case of a sentence. Case means if you want to show a text in capitals, you can make it into capitals from here. If you want to change it into small letters, so you can make it small letters from here. Then we have sentence case where first letter is capital and rest all is small. And if we have capitalize each word option, and in that all the words in that particular paragraph or sentence, the first letter of all the words will be capital, and rest other letters of the words are small. Okay, and the last one is the toggle case. In toggle case, it is opposite of your sentence case, where sorry, it is opposite of your capitalize each word case, where first letter of every word of the sentence will be smaller and rest all will be capital. Right? And just next to it we have font color option, from where we can change the color of the text that we have on the slide. Fine. And all such settings we can do from the font dialog box also, right? So how do we open this font dialog box? One way is you just right click on the text that you have selected. You'll get that font dialog box option. As you can see here, right click करने पे आपको ये list मिलेगी. इसमें font option है, इस पे click करो. So this is the font dialog option, dialog box. Here again you'll have all those options which are lying on the tabs above. So ये font style option है, ये bold italics underline option है. This is your size option. This is the font color option. And if you want to give underline, you can give that underline over here. And from here you can change the color of the line, and some more effects we can apply. Right? This was the change case option that I was talking about. Sentence case, first letter capital, rest all small, lowercase, all in small letters, uppercase, all letters in capitals, capitalize each word, first letter of each word of the sentence will be capital. As you can see, E is also capital, W is also capital. And this is the toggle case where the first letter is smaller and the rest of the letters of the words are bigger. Fine. Now let's have a look on this in Word. Select the text, we'll select everything, let's say. From here we can change the font. These are different types of fonts which are available. So choose that you wish to apply, right? I'm applying this Britannica bold, so the font will be applied. And then from here we can change the size. Fine. And this is the grow font button. This is the shrink font button. This is to make everything sentence case, lowercase, all in small letters, uppercase, all in capital letters, capitalize each word. As you can see, my school में my का M capital है, school का S capital है, ठीक है? और toggle में first letter is small, rest all are capital, right? And this is to change the color of the text. Font color we can change. Fine. Uh, then I'll show you that font dialog box also. Right click over here, go to font. This is the font dialog box where we can do all these settings that we have done over here from here to. This is the font style option, and this is your this is font face, this is font style, bold, italics, underline. This is the size, color, and some other effects. The strike through है, बीच में line आ जाएगा. Double strike through, as you can see here, double lines will come. Superscript and subscript option is also there. Small caps will make a little um, higher capitals. The small letters are a little bigger than the normal size, right? All caps will convert everything into capitals, and hidden is basically to hide the text, so that will not use. Fine, so do all the settings and click OK. Okay, this font dialog box can also open up from this button over here. Click over here, sorry, this one. You'll get the same option. Fine. Okay, let's move back. Clear formatting option and adding effects. So I'll show you in the select the text and then go with the adding effect option. You can see text effects we can give, like these are some of the effects available. You can simply choose the effect that you want to apply. If you want to apply the shadow effects, that can also be added, right? So just click on the effect that you wish to apply, right? Okay, then so I think that's it for today. So I'll end up now. Okay, so the time is running now, so I'll end up here. So just go through all the options, try them in your computers and laptops at home. And still, if you find any difficulty, any problem, you can surely come and discuss. You can put me a message anytime. So just go through it, revise the things. You can only learn if you practice the things thoroughly, and then come up with your doubts so that we can discuss the doubts and clear all doubts. Fine. So that's it from my side today. I'll end up here. We'll continue next time. Okay, then. Goodbye.